In this video, I'm going to show you how and why you should add a credit card to your PayPal so you can earn points while you do purchases. I'm currently on the PayPal web version, just the desktop browser version, but you can do all this same exact stuff within your mobile app. So you want to be on home, account, and then you can scroll down. On the mobile version, you just want to go to the accounts tab and scroll down and it's going to show your cards. And then you want to click link a card or bank. This is going to take you to where you can add a credit card. Just click this button, go through the process. After you add your card, you're going to be able to see what the card does for you. So if I buy something with my card, here's kind of the bonuses that I get with my card. Earn 5 points per $1 spent on travel booked through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. 3 points per $1 on dining, streaming services, online groceries. You get bonus points for the year. And this is the big one right here at the bottom for my personal card. Your card will be different. Whatever credit card you use will have different perks and features and points, but earn 1 point per $1 spent on all purchases. So if I buy a lot of stuff through PayPal, it only makes sense to link my credit card, which I earn points on, and use this rather than like my PayPal balance or just my checking account, because then I actually get points. And where this is also a huge bonus if you purchase things online is you get double protection. Like for example, I purchase collectible items online and there's a ton of scammers in that market. So if I purchase something and then someone attempts to scam me, I have protection through PayPal where I can contact PayPal support, get my money back, get it figured out. And if that doesn't work out, I also have the protection through my credit card. So I can contact Chase Bank and attempt to figure it out, attempt to get a refund. So for PayPal, it makes the most sense to link a credit card that gets points and use that as much as possible when you do PayPal purchases. So here's a quick example of what I mean. This is a website that sells trading cards, collectible trading cards. You can go to my cart. They have a PayPal checkout option, so I can click this. The total for the purchase is $14. I want to click my card. And then you can see I'm on my card and I'm earning points when I buy stuff. And then I would just click pay. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.